Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Wow! How about A, B, C, D?
A, B, C, D, E, F, D, H, K, K, L, M, N, O, A, B, C, D, E, F, D, H, K, L, O,
Q? Q, R, S? Ay! Ano? Ano pa ba yung kanta natin? Itsy Bitsy Spider.
Is about to the ocean. Sorry, did you want it? Sorry, it's about the ocean.
Wow! Good job!
And the details.
Oh, head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Oh, tatayo daw siya. Yan na. Go! Head.
The details. Eyes. Is arms. The details.
Knees and toes. Wow! Good job! How about... mahulog ka. Ano ba? Anong mga kanta ni Ayan? The Wheels on the Bus. The wheels on the bus go round and round. Oh. Sing na. Round and round. Round and round. Wheels on the bus go round and round. All through the town. How about the baby? Ano sabi niya? Oh, the mummies. Daddy.
Daddy, how are you? I are you. Daddy, how are you? Oh, ikaw.
Driver. Move on back. Driver.
Ipak.
The driver on the bus says, move on back. Oh, okay. How about the wiper?
Fish.
Galing naman. Oh, bingo naman, bingo. NGO and bingo, what's his name? Sige. Ang tawag nito, yung baby shark.
Mommy Daddy Mima Pipa Baby
Wow, very good. Ano pa ba? Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Tapos na pala yun. Okay, bye-bye.